Yo, what up? Peace and blessing to the fam. This is your big homie Jared with the Retro Insider. As always, thank you for checking out today's video, where today I'm going to go over my latest New Balance outlet pickup, a pair of New Balance 998s, probably easily top 3 silhouette from New Balance in my opinion. This is the 2023 grade A pair. So I walked into my local outlet last week, not expecting to see anything. The last couple times I went, it was more the same of what I've already seen. But fortunately, I went to the back wall and seen this particular pair sitting in the back, no lid on the box, size 12, and I just had to snag it. So as far as price originally retailed for like $180 if I'm not mistaken, probably $180 plus. But this shoe had a box price of $79.99, and on top of that, it had a yellow sticker. So that's an additional 30% off. So all in all, paid 60 bucks and change for a made in US New Balance 998 in a very, very nice colorway, if I do say so myself. So I think standout feature for this particular shoe has to be that long haired suede that wraps around the entire shoe. Some will call this gray. Some might even call it a light tan, but it works really, really well with the navy hits and then the cream midsole. Very, very nice. And you know, one thing about it, ever since Teddy Santis took over as, I don't know what you want to call it, creative director for New Balance, I guess, lifestyle, they've been coming out with some very, very nice colorways. I mean, New Balance has always had nice colorways, but I really like the direction that Teddy Santis is taking the brand as far as some of their made in USA models. So as far as the sizing, like I said, this was a size 12. And New Balance 998s do not fit like they once did back in the day. So my first pair I got in like 2014. Any shoe from that era all the way up to probably about 2019 or 2020 or a little bit later, those fit a lot bigger back in the day. So I used to always go down to 11.5 and 998s. But ever since Teddy Santis took over, basically around the 2020 post-pandemic, these shoes have started running a little snug. So I went with a 12, and that's really kind of fit like an old 11.5 used to. So kind of snug. And then, so if you all have a wide foot or prefer, you know, more looser fit, you might even want to go up a half size on New Balance 998. So if you're in the market for these, or if you see one in your outlet, just keep that in mind. As far as comfort, not the most comfortable shoe by today's standards. I'm a fan of it because it's more of a solid, substantial feel. It's not super cushiony, which is fine with me because over the long haul, the shoe really stands up. So the way it feels when you first get it, it's going to be that way for a long time afterwards, no matter how many miles you put on it. So as far as the shoe, you can see they also brought an additional lace option. So it comes with the white, blue is in the box. Put the blue in just to give y'all an idea of what it looks like, and to be honest with you, I don't know which one looks better. Like at first I was going with the white just because I'm a more clean, subdued type of guy when it comes to like style. Understated is what I really, really like, but this blue works really, really well with the different hits on the midsole, this suede hit at the base of the lace, and then the New Balance in. It comes together real nice with the blue, but this one's also a clean look too. So in the comments, let me know what you think about the lace options, the blue or the white. Which would you choose? And yeah, so let this be your sign to go visit your local outlet if you have one, fortunately, near you. Yeah, you never know what you're gonna find, man, at these outlets. And this is probably one of the better deals I've run across at an outlet. Yeah, 60 bucks in today's market when everything is sky high retail. You can't get a better shoe quality wise, craftsmanship wise, for this price point. You know, you just can't do it. Anything more than that is yeah, it's rare, it's an anomaly. So yeah, that's been it, guys. Once again, thank you so much for checking out the video. If you did make it to this portion of the video, go ahead and hit that like button, leave me a comment. It really helps the channel. And if you are interested in these types of videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Yeah, check out the retroinsider.com for more sneaker review info and release date info. Until next time, y'all know what to do. Stay humble and proceed.